In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing the chosen one in the background. If you're using Trick's navigation, you can do that thanks to this square button. Now just hold your app and drag it to the top. Then let go. Over here, click on Home button if you don't have any other app opened in the background. And just tap on the second one. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!